Following is a test of a Johnson Viking II on the 11 meter band, which is normally the most touchy of all to tune up, but not on this Viking II. There's my grid. All kinds of grid current. Key it up. 230 mils, well over 100 watts. Here's my mod current. Let's bring up the R2000 and take a listen to it. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there it is. Johnson Viking II plate modulation. Sounds great. Alright, we'll close up on the metering. Bring up my grid a little bit. Always want to re-peak the buffer. There's my plate current. And you can see we're well over 100 watts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 1, 2. Plenty of modulation. She's a talker.